Breathing. Speed your recovery. Recent studies have shown that when you're gasping for air, bending over reduces your heart rate by 22 more beats per minute. This is more effective than standing upright with your arms above your head. Recovering quickly offers a big advantage in sports and workouts. If you can lower your heart rate and catch your breath in a shorter amount of time than your competition, then you can go harder, faster, and longer than him or her when the whistle sounds again. Take slow, deep, controlled breaths. When we're short of breath, our instinct is to breathe faster to try and recover. This type of rapid, shallow breathing, called panic breathing, is highly inefficient and can delay your recovery. The goal is to breathe with slow, controlled, deep breaths. This allows for more sufficient exchange of carbon dioxide for oxygen and can prevent the diaphragm from tiring out and cramping. The combination of these two breathing tactics can make a huge difference in your recovery, allowing you to maximize your workout and beat out your competition.